Right now, you're not standing still. You're spinning with Earth while racing through space at incredible speeds. Our planet feels stable, but it's actually in constant motion, powered by forces we barely notice. At the equator, Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most airplanes, yet everything around you moves with it, which is why you feel completely still. And while Earth looks like a blue water world, there's a hidden scarcity. About 71% of the surface is covered in water, but only 2.5% is freshwater, and most of that is locked in ice or buried deep underground. What makes life possible here is something invisible but perfectly balanced. Earth's atmosphere contains just the right mix of nitrogen, oxygen, and trace gases to support life as we know it. Surrounding the planet is an unseen force, Earth's magnetic field. It acts like a shield, helping protect us by deflecting solar wind that could otherwise slowly strip away our atmosphere. But Earth isn't a perfect sphere. Because of its rotation, it bulges slightly at the equator and flattens at the poles, forming what scientists call an oblate spheroid. Deep below your feet lies an extreme world. Earth's core reaches temperatures close to the surface of the sun, hot enough to drive volcanic eruptions and shift entire continents. And those continents aren't fixed. Massive tectonic plates are constantly moving beneath us, slowly reshaping the planet over millions of years without us even noticing. Some places on Earth are so extreme they feel alien. In parts of Antarctica, such as the dry valleys, there has been almost no rainfall for millions of years. Even today, Earth is still full of mystery. Scientists continue discovering new species every year, especially in the deep ocean, where vast regions remain unexplored. At any given moment, lightning is striking Earth about 100 times every second. That's millions of powerful energy bursts happening across the planet every single day. Here's something even more surprising. Earth's atmosphere doesn't suddenly end. It gradually fades into space, extending thousands of kilometers above the surface. And the most mind-blowing part? Earth isn't just spinning. It's orbiting the sun at about 107,000 kilometers per hour, while the entire solar system moves through the galaxy at even greater speeds. So even when you're standing completely still, you're actually on a planet racing through space in multiple directions at once. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.